this actually isn't a part 2 of this pair, the trade of this pair. I initially last week I had a sell for this pair around here, I think maybe around here. TP was here, and I did take about 50 or 60% because I did think price was gonna maybe test the trend line and then come crashing down, but obviously that wasn't the case. This is why I had a trend line here, because this trend line respected this price. So as soon as I saw this candle closing, I took about 60% profit. Yeah, as soon as I saw this candle close after hitting this trend line, I took 60% profit, 50 something or 50 or 60 some percent off profit. So then I left the rest running. So in that case I left about, I think maybe 40% running, and it did went negative and it hit my stop. Well, sorry, it didn't go negative because I moved stop loss at entry by then, because I had already 60 pips running. Anytime I go 30 pips, about 30 pips, I move my stop loss at entry. So when price came back here, it hit the stop loss at entry. So I was very risk free, so it just took me out. So altogether with this trade I only capped 60% out of the full profit that was here. I took out 60%, and I thought price was gonna come back up and then come back down. I did think it was gonna hit it and then maybe come back down. I was gonna enter again once it came back down. I was gonna re-enter because I knew it was gonna hit my risk free, and when I moved stop loss entry, I knew it was gonna hit, so it's gonna take me out. So, and then when I saw rejected on the when I see rejected on the trend line, I was gonna enter again the trade around there for the sell to continue. But this here is not enough. There's only one black candle here, which means to the downside. It wasn't enough for me to see as a rejection. For a rejection, I have to see maybe 1, 2, 3 candles, maybe 4 candles, and then the last one closing to the bearish side, and then that's when I would have gained. But this wasn't enough. One blue and black, and then the rest green. So when I saw price kept going up and then broke, I got in here. I said, okay, price is gonna break that. Once it broke, I got in right here due to spreads. As you can see from the MetaTrader 5 on the left hand side, I got in at about 77.81, 81.5 I got in right here. So let me just put that 81.5. So yeah, it's actually higher due to spreads. So right now I'm on 74 pips. That's why I already moved stop loss at entry, as you saw in the MetaTrader 5. So yeah, this is the reason. This isn't, so that's why I said this isn't video part 2. This is just a separate video, but I'll put in as a part 2. Just wanted to show you, if don't react to the market and don't predict the market, because if I was to predict, I would have stayed in here and not move my stop loss at entry. I would have kept, just put this here. Yeah, see, if I was trying to predict the market, I would have just been stubborn and I would have ignored it. I wouldn't have moved my stop loss at entry. I would have, and then that would have triggered and losing money for no reason. So don't predict, react to what you see. So I saw what the market gave me. I broke above, kept breaking, so I said no, okay, market is not going down, it's going up. Because after all, this is an uptrend overall, an uptrend, isn't it? This is a bullish market. So we're gonna take this up to 78.639 TP. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated.